Today I am going to show you how to create a posters like this in Canva. So let's start. First of all, you have to select this Instagram post to your page. After that, go on elements and search here your background image. Like if I want to make a poster on success, so you have to take a background related to your text. Okay, go on photos section, and here you can see that here are too much templates you can use. Anyone? I like this one. So set image as background, and after that you have to search here black fade. Go on graphics section and take the first one here, rotate it like this. Maybe you cannot see it because my background is also black, so let me choose another background. So and now you can see that I have edit fade. Let's choose another background so it's look amazing. Go on photos and take this one. This one is also beautiful. Double click on the photo like this. The man should be visible. Increase the size of your fade so it can separate everywhere. And now go on text. Now type here your text. Here you can type your any quote like success is the best revenge. After that, set this. Okay, so I suggest you all to use the font Anton. You can change the font by clicking on the here, and I am selecting Anton. Now go on spacing and decrease the line spacing, and also make sure all capitals are, all letters are capital. Sorry. Increase the size. After that, go on elements again, search here, but don't search here anything. Go on cross, go back and go on shape, select the box, change the color of the box to yellow because yellow and black is the best matching color. Okay, make it like this. Wait a second. No, adjust it on your highlighting word. Like I want to highlight success here. So now you can see that below and what is not matching. So I have to change the color of this text. So select this text and go on enter. No, sorry, go on this text color. Change the color to black. Now this will be good. Now you can see that this is like I am highlighting something. Now it's good. And next I want to highlight the best revenge. Duplicate this and paste here. Highlight the best. Okay. Now select the best text. Change the color to black. And now it's time for the last highlighting letter. Sorry. Change the color of this text also. like this. Now we have to add some finished touches so our poster will be ready. Go click on the text, go on effects and select lift. Now you can see that it's showing us some it's separating everywhere. So now you can increase or decrease. I will suggest 40. And now if you have some logos, so you can add like I'm using this logo as an example. Decrease the size. You can also take it here, and also you can take it here. Now you can see that our poster is ready. Now you can download it. Click on share, like download, and click on download. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.
Wow.